Give me a kiss. That was some good dancing. Good dancing, Delilah. You're welcome. You said thank you. That was so cute. Yeah, that feather's hanging out. What'd you do to your feather? Is it broke? Crap. Mommy's gonna have to check that. Is it hurting? You like that I took the thing off up here so you can hang, huh? Get your toy. Get your toy. Woo, woo, woo. Good dancing. That's some good dancing. Good job. Ooh. Oh, you are so happy I took that drawer off the top so you could be a bat, huh? Look at you. Get it, get it, get it! Get it, get it! Hello? Get it! You crazy. Woo! Woo! Look at you. Woo! Is your feather okay? Oh, what happened to your feather? Well, let's hope when you molt, your new ones are going to grow in. Oh, you're a mess. Ooh. You dancing? I love you. Good dancing. I hear you. You want to dance too? Come on. With your coconut water beak.